you hear me? I'm near the wreckage, southeast of the main trail. I need help, please hurry.
All right, team, let's start with the forward section.
The rust penetration near the landing gear is significant. The corrosion around this rivet cluster is worse than expected. Hold it, hold it! Okay, this is the main attachment point here.
I'm clearing the vines now.
Oh my God, look at that!
Is that a real plane?
Pull over, pull over!
Delivery confirmed.
Roger that. All teams, move out. All right, easy now. Bring her down slow. Hold that position. Touchdown confirmed.
We are clear of the deck. Starboard side, easy now. Slow descent, hold at 5 meters.
Alignment looks good on the starboard side. We have clearance.
Secure the stands.
Okay, she's settled. Check the alignment markers now.
Reading green on all main points. Slight adjustment needed on the tail stand.
Look at the extent of the rust near the landing gear support. We should prioritize this section for the initial phase of restoration.
Be careful around the hydraulics line.
Roger that. We'll use the brushes here.
Watch your step over here.
All right, this frame is heavy. Get ready to lift. Clear. Watch the pressure on that panel.
Backing off now, switching to the scraper.
Alignment confirmed on section 9. Character C, apply pressure to the seam.
Roger that. Holding steady.
Lead with torque sequence.
Sequence initiated. Holding pressure steady.
Check the pressure sensor housing on strut 4. Looks good from here, completely dry. Check the hydraulic fittings on strut 3.
Looks solid. No signs of corrosion on the actuator housing either. We are cleared for pre-paint.
This beam is fully secured now.
Good, the symmetry looks perfect. Let's move to the forward section.
Okay, the alignment looks good. Start the sequence.
Sequence initiated. Check the torque on the lower bracket.
Adjust the pressure on arm 3.
Acknowledged. Increasing torque now. We're clear on this section.
All surface checks confirmed. We are ready for paint.
Acknowledged. Proceed with bay preparation.
We need to verify the masking around the landing gear seals.
Roger that. Looks good from here. Proceeding with final clearance.
Check the pressure on the upper curve, section 4.
Copy that. Adjusting flow now. Stand by for inspection.
98% coverage.
All bolts secured on nacelle 3.
Checklist confirms green status.
Torque set on the lower bolts.
Good. Now let's check the rotation before we sign off the pre-flight.
How's that alignment look?
Perfect. Lock it down now.
Okay, cross-reference the alignment specs on row 4.
Confirmed, within tolerance.
Torque is set.
Check the alignment on this one. It feels slightly off. The reading here is perfect. See? Right within tolerance. The uniformity of the overhead lighting is spot on. Yep.
And the side lights perfectly highlight the curvature. It looks excellent.
Alignment is within tolerance. Secure the lower mounts.
Secured. All green on the diagnostic tablet.
Power sequence initiated. We have green across the board.
Copy that. Standby instruments are live and synchronized.
Flap override engaged, confirming golden plating integration.
Roger that. Hydraulic pressure stable at 3,000.